Thomas Rutt, fire into form. Turn the iron into metal. Turn the world into justice.
He magically makes iron into metal in the furnace of his dreams.
Give it meaning.
Believe in peace!
Thomas Dale Rutter, spiritual message. From above, what to remove from the world today.
Cold as night, unshaped by name. I raise the stack, I feed the
Peace
flame.
is not the absence of conflict.
Till all remembers
It is the
what
presence
came.
of God's love in the heart.
Charcoal hard and hammers cold. Heat and time must have it all. Not to
My
war,
mission is to spread the message of hope and love.
Fire makes the formless form. Bring it to the heat, let the dross reveal. What is false will flee, what is true will steal. Turn the iron into metal, make it worthy, make it right. Temper truth within the furnace, draw it out of darkest night. No life is for the market, no soul is weight or sold. We forge a just tomorrow in the language of the bold. Turn the iron into metal, strike the rhythm, hold the line. Nation living waters, let the better shape define. From fire into form, from shadow into sight. We hammer out the freedom till the blade can bear the light. I've seen men bent beneath the load. Depths like chains of silent code. A world that measures breadth and gain. I will not temper steel with pain. If fire can cleanse the hidden seam, then hearts can change the cruel machine. The forge bears witness, choose the good. Let no hand profit from a brother's blood. Hold it to the heat, hear the metal sing. Every strike a vow, every spark a wing. Turn the iron into metal, make it worthy, make it right. Temper truth within the furnace, draw it out of darkest night. No life is for the market, no soul is weight or sold. We forge a just tomorrow in the language of the bold. Bellows, breathe, anvil, stand. Hammer, speak, within the hand. Slag to ash, and lies to air. Leave no chain unbroken there. Name the wrong, and name it plain. Quench the greed that profits pain. Strike, strike, hold the line. Heat, heat, make it fine. Quench, quench, truth the line. Forge, forge, freedom sign. Let the better shape prevail. Every spark a witness crying. We are not for sale. From fire into form, let the righteous will ignite. We hammer out the freedom till the whole world feels the light. Feels the light. Bellows fading, iron remembering, fire into form, and justice enduring. Thomas, Dolly, Rutter. I hear you through the iron. crown, no stage, no praise, no fame, just sweat in the bones of the land. If God put fire inside my chest, then I'll forge it with my bare hands. I built a furnace from nothing but fame, 2,000 degrees, let it burn my face. I don't want glory, I don't want a name, just blood in the roots that remember the flame. Generations down, can you hear my cry? I'm not in the sky, I'm in iron in time. If you feel this fire, then you're part of me. The quiet one's building eternity. I drew it out in charcoal lines, a beast of brick and breath, a tower that eats the night alive and spits out molten death. Shift by shift we break, we bleed, daylight chained to will. Third shift whispers through the dark, where the furnace hungers still. Men with debts, men with pain, I gave them purpose, not chains. We didn't run from the heat, we became the flame. You think this is magic? You think this is easy? You think one swing makes a legacy? No. This is discipline. This is sacrifice. This is building something that outlives you. I built a furnace from stone and from sky. No elevator, just reaching for stars. I don't need history written in gold. One soul who remembers the story I told. 10 generations, I wait in the vein, in your spirit, alive in your pain. If you hear my voice, don't let it fade. Be the fire I never betrayed. I see you far beyond my time. A girl with fire in her chest and storms behind her eyes. They won't understand you, they didn't understand me, but you don't need their vision. You just need to believe. Be a voice, not an echo. We built a furnace that still breaks to die. In every dream they said you couldn't make. This isn't fate, this is blood set free. A family tree, forging destiny. You're the one who remembers my name, then you're the spark that carries the flame. Don't live small, don't you dare disappear. I built this world so you could be here. From rock to fire to iron to you.
Oh, you're wonderful. Thank you. Oh, thank you. You don't know what it's like to be. Sometimes you're happy and sometimes you're sad, but the world goes round, and sometimes you lose every nickel you've had, but the world goes round. Sometimes your dreams get broken in pieces, but that doesn't alter a thing. Take it from me,
there's still gonna be a